Welcome back to math session. Today here we are going to learn the subject mathematics. Today we are going to study how to construct a triangle given two angles and the included side. Yes, we already studied first case. Whenever the three sides of triangles are given, then we construct a triangle. In second case, length of two sides of triangles are given and the one angle included by them it is given. And now this one is the third case where the two angles and the included side is given. So for that I am considering here one example. Construct a triangle XYZ such that length of YX is equal to 6 centimeter, measure of an angle ZXY is equal to 30 degree, measure of an angle XYZ is equal to 100 degree, and important condition is what? Angle XYZ is an obtuse angle. Now we know that what is an obtuse angle? When measurement of an angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree, at that time that angle is called the what? Obtuse angle. Now first step is what? Here the length of YX is given, which we consider as a 6 centimeter. Yes, so first step is what? We are drawing a line of length 6 centimeter. So here is a 0 and a 6. So length of YX, which is equal to what? 6 centimeter. Now next you have to given the measurement of two angles ZXY, okay, because here we don't know the point Z and we want to locate the point Z with the help of these two angles. Now how? First it is given that angle XYZ is an obtuse angle. So where is the XYZ? We know here is the point Y. So X, Y, and here somewhere is the point Z, and that we want to locate. So first we take an protractor, okay, keep at the point Y because XY angle is given. So measure from this point how much it is? 100 degree. So here from 0 we come here, here is the what? 100 degree. Yes, if you are observing, here is the what? 100 degree angle. So we join these two points, okay. So here is the one line which measure an angle of how much? 100 degree, but still we don't know where is the location of point Z. So for that purpose one more angle is given, that is ZXY is equal to 30 degree, okay. Means that is at this point angle X, how much is the degree? It is a what? 30 degree. So we kept now compass at this position, okay, because we given the what? ZXY means in this left direction. So we measure how much is the angle? 10, 20 and 30. So here is the what? 30 degree point. So again we take an what and scale and join these two points which is at 30 degree, okay. So like this, and where these two lines will intersect at this point, this will be a point Z, okay. So this angle is what? 30 degree. Yes, so this is an simple steps. First we draw and length YX, which is a 6 centimeter, which is a base of a triangle. Second, which is given angle XYZ is obtuse angle and its value is 100 degree. So we kept the compass at point Y, measure an 100 degree angle, then mark a line, okay. The next angle ZXY, which is given 30 degree. So we again take a protractor at point X, measure an angle of 30 degree, then again draw a second line. These two lines will intersect at point Z, okay. So this will be a triangle XYZ. So here we studied how to construct a triangle given the two angles and the included side. Now I will take one more question. Example number 2. In the triangle ABC, measure of an angle is 60 degree, okay. Then measure of angle B is 40 degree. length of AC is 6 centimeter. Draw a triangle ABC. So we know that whenever there is a problem, in that when the two angles and the included side is given, at that time first step is what? Draw and base of a triangle, that is the length of AC is given, which is a 6 centimeter. So first we draw a line AC which is of 6 centimeters. So here is the point A, this is the point C, and its length is 6 centimeter. Now we know that here in this problem the two angles and included side is given, means angle Y is given, angle X is given, and the included side is the XY, which is given. But now if you observe in the problem, here is the angle A, here is the angle C, but angle C is not given, but instead of that angle B is given. Yes, so in this case, how to solve this problem? Here you have to use the angle sum property. Angle sum property of triangle. That is, we know that sum of angles of a triangle is 180 degree. That is, we know that in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C, which is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so angle A is what? 60 degree is given. Angle B is what? 40 degree is given. Angle C is unknown, and that is our aim. We have to find out the value of angle C. Okay, so how you are going to find out? So angle C is equal to 180 degree. Okay, so 60 plus 40 is 100. So we shift this 100 towards right side, so it becomes what? Minus. So angle C is equal to 80 degree. Angle C is equal to what? 80 degree. Means we get angle C is equal to 80 degree. So we know that. Now take an protractor, keep at point A, and we know that measure of angle A is given how much? A is 60 degree. So from this side, here is the what? 60 degree. Okay, so first we draw a line joining the what? 60 degree. Okay, next is what? Angle C that we obtain by using the angle sum property, which is what? 80 degree. So again we put a compass at point C. Okay, measure an angle of how much? Is the 80 degree here. Okay, so draw a line. Sorry, it goes somewhere here. Okay, now if you are observe, these two lines will intersect at this position. Okay, and here is the point C. So angle A is 60 degree, angle C is 80 degree, and here it is the what? Angle B, which is 40 degree. Okay, means what? Here we have to construct a triangle when the two angles are included and the included side is given. But here the two different angles are given and the included side will be different. So for that purpose, we first find, that is, which angle is included in these sides, angle A and angle C. Okay, I hope all of you understood how to construct a triangle by using given two angles and the included side. Thank you.